guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nelson, and if you're new here, welcome. I am so ecstatic, you guys. Today I'm doing this Little Red Riding Hood Halloween makeup look for you guys. This is my last video, and not last video, but last Halloween makeup video for you guys this year. And I'm hoping that you guys loved all of the Halloween makeup looks that I've done for you guys and for this year, and hopefully I could do more next year. But yeah, so this is the Little Red Riding Hood, and yeah, I try to do some like blood and like some like scratches, like, you know, from the wolf, if you guys know the story. But it didn't look out, like, it didn't turn out the best, I feel, but it's decent, I feel. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you would like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Actually, unfortunately, my last... Who the hell is race car driving right now at this hour? Gosh, I mean, I know I usually film late at night, but like, you guys are ruining my vibes. Oh, you guys, I'm super ghetto, and I didn't want to go out and buy, like, you know, like a actual cape, like a red cape, you know, like for this outfit. So I was super ghetto. Like, this is legit like a scarf, and I just like tied it right here, like, what the heck. And this is just my husband's like, you know, red t-shirt, and I'm wearing it like backwards because it's like a Superman t-shirt, and it's still cute though. So, you know, I'm kind of ghetto, but hey, you know, sometimes you gotta DIY your costume, you know what I mean?